my another requirement is this assigned person is actually not responding. This assigned person is actually not responding. Okay, I have to send a follow-up email. So I have to create an UI action here that is actually follow-up email. Once you click on that follow-up, it has to send an email to this person saying like, please provide an update, latest update on this particular demo incident record. Follow-up means once this caller, this should appear. Remember one thing, guys. I should create a button here that should only appear for this particular caller. If that caller clicks on this one, it has to send an email to this assigned to person, and it has to update the first follow-up or second follow-up or third follow-up. It has to mention here. So for that, I have to create a field here. Follow-up. Number of follow-ups. We can keep something like that. So we can keep it as integer. So I have to create a UI action called follow-up. So which should only appear on the existing records. Which should only appear on the form button.
You wrote flops name.
Sorry.
You wrote flops at name.
Okay. Is the spelling correct, guys? Follow-up spelling correct? Okay. So please adjust with spelling, guys. So I am actually creating a UI action called follow-up UI action, which will appear only on the form button. So which should only appear for the caller. So the condition that I am keeping here as current dot caller is equal to u_caller equal to gs dot get user ID. See, what is this get user ID is that to get the current logged in user information in the server side, you will use this gs.get user ID. So in the client side, you will use g_user.user ID, right? So in the server side, if you want to get the current logged in user information, you will use gs.get user ID. So if the current logged in user is actually a caller, only then show this follow-up UI action is what the condition that I have kept here. If the current logged in user is actually the caller, only then show this UI action. That is the condition that I am actually keeping here. Okay. So then let me just remove this one. I have created a UI action. Follow up. If I refresh this one, now you will be able to see this follow up UI action here. So the follow up UI action is not appearing here because current logged in user and caller both are not same. So current logged in user, who is current logged in user here?
₹100
Sorry. Who is current logged in user here? So current logged in user is actually system administrator. System administrator is actually current logged in user here. Who is caller here? So Alison. So both are different, right? So if he is system administrator, if caller is system administrator, only then the follow-up UI action will actually appear. System administrator is a contractor, na? We have to make him as okay. Now you are able to see the follow-up UI action. Why are you able to see this follow-up UI action? Both caller and current logged in user both are same, right? That is why you are able to see this. So once you click on this one, it has to send an email and it has to update as one here. So if you click on second time, if you click follow up on second time, so it has to send an email to this person and it has to show follow up as 2. So third time when you click on this one, it has to say third follow up. It has to say number 3 here. And after third time, it should not appear this one. So the UI action should not appear. That means here number of follow-ups. And current dot number of follow-ups less than 3.
or equal to.
Yeah, less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 2. We need to keep. After the third follow-up, it should not actually appear, right? Less than or equal to 2.
I think it's 3 then, because
Yeah. Less than or equal to 3. So to send an email, we have actually line of script, guys. We will use GS dot event queue that you won't be able to understand. So for the first follow-up, what we are going to do is current dot equal to what we can do here is current dot plus plus. Plus plus means it will actually increment the number. Current dot update Okay. If you take a look at the demo incident, so to appear this, to see this UI action, caller and current logged in user both should be same. So here caller and current logged in user both are same, right? So then you are able to see this follow up UI action. So once you click on this one, here it will be updated as 1. See here it is actually updated as 1. So once you click on second follow up, it will be updated as 2 here. Now it is actually appearing as 2 here. So once you click on third follow up, it will actually appear 3 here. Okay. So once you click on this follow up, this time this should not actually appear. So fourth time it is not appearing here. Are you able to understand? That means you have to keep less than or equal to 2, I believe. The condition.
Yeah.
Correct.
Now the UI action will actually appear. So first time when I click on this one, it will be updated as 1. Second time when I followed up, it will be updated as 2. So third time it will be 3 and then follow up will not be appear. Okay. So that means from this demo incident, you can actually make a follow up to this particular assign to person regarding this demo incident update. So where are we? So so please provide me an update. So if this guy is not responding, right? So what system administrator can do is he can actually open that incident. He can just click on follow up. So without sending an email from the Outlook, so here from ServiceNow you can send a follow up email here. Did you guys understand?